In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit Google Forms responses and close them automatically in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right into the process and break it down step by step, ensuring that it's not only effective but also easy for you to follow along. First, you'll want to open Google Drive. This is where you'll manage all your Google Forms and other files. Once you're in Google Drive, look up at the top of the screen and click on Apps. This will bring you a step closer to creating your form. Now go ahead and click on Form. This selection will guide you to Google Forms, where we can begin crafting the form you intend to use. If you don't have a form yet, that's perfectly okay. We're going to create a new one. Simply click on Create New Form, and you'll find yourself in the form creation interface. Here you can begin adding questions and options according to your needs. Once your form is taking shape, it's time to dive into the capabilities that allow us to limit the number of responses you'll accept. Head over to the More Options menu, which is typically represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on this and then select Get Add-ons. This step will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you'll search for tools that enhance the functionality of Google Forms. In the search bar, type Choice Limiter. This tool is specially designed to help you manage the responses effectively by placing limits on them. When you see Choice Eliminator X, Choice Limit and Form Limiter, go ahead and click on it. This will provide a closer look at what's possible with this add-on. Next, click on Install. You might need to connect it to your Google account, so ensure you do that by following the prompts. Once installed, you can close the installation window by clicking on Done. Now return to your form. You should see a puzzle piece icon or the add-ons icon at the top of the page. Click on it and this will show you a list of all the add-ons you have. Select Choice Eliminator X, Choice Limit and Form Limiter from this list. This add-on will open up its interface on the side of your form. Click on Start, which will launch the add-on, and from here you can set up the limiter. This is crucial as it dictates how many times a particular option or the form itself can be submitted. Once you've configured the necessary limits, review everything to ensure it's set according to your preferences. Lastly, when all settings are in place and you're satisfied with how your form functions, hit Publish. This will make the form live and the settings will apply automatically. And there you have it, a streamlined way to limit responses in Google Forms, ensuring you gather just the right amount of data you need.